New feature enables on-the-go aerial footage for drivers according to an article in CarScoops. Chinese automaker BYD has unveiled a new drone system designed in collaboration with DJI. Known as the Ling Yuan system, this optional feature integrates a drone and docking station into the roof of select BYD vehicles, allowing drivers to capture aerial footage while in motion. The system is priced at approximately 16,000 yens, $2,200, and will be available for multiple BYD models in the near future. A high-tech addition to BYD vehicles. BYD first showcased the concept of a roof-mounted drone with the Yangwang U8 SUV in 2023. However, the first model to officially offer it as an option is the more affordable Fang Cheng Bao Bao 8 SUV. The company aims to expand access to the technology across its various brands, making advanced aerial filming capabilities available to a broader audience. The Ling Yuan system consists of a 4K drone housed within an aerodynamically designed docking station that occupies 0.29 square meters, 3.1 square feet on the vehicle's roof, standing at 215 millimeters, 8.5 inches, tall. The docking station features automated doors that open to deploy the drone. Aerial filming on the move. Drivers can launch the drone at speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, 16 miles per hour, and the drone can follow the vehicle at speeds of up to 54 kilometers per hour, 34 miles per hour. Once filming is complete, the drone autonomously returns to its rooftop hangar, where it recharges. A charge from 20% to 80% takes approximately 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime between flights. The system can be controlled through the vehicle's infotainment display or via the Ling Yuan app on a smartphone. Additionally, AI-powered software helps users organize and edit footage for easy sharing on social media platforms. Expanding availability and market potential. The Ling Yuan system has been showcased on multiple BYD models, including the Fang Cheng Bao Bao 5, Titanium 3, Denza N9, BYD Tang L, and BYD Celion 070 Mi. More models are expected to receive this optional feature in the future. However, BYD has not confirmed whether the Ling Yuan system will be available outside of China. About BYD. BYD, Build Your Dreams, is a leading Chinese automaker and a global innovator in electric vehicles, EVs, and battery technology. The company has gained international recognition for its advancements in sustainable mobility, offering a range of electric and hybrid models.